Now you can see. Yes? No, ma'am. Still you cannot see the board. How can it be, students? Now can you see? Yes. Okay. Switch on the light. Switch on. Now can you see? Yes. Okay. Number 4, Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. She spelt the word with her finger into Helen's hand with special hand signs. In this way, she helped Helen learn many things. Done. Now number 5. When the teacher put Helen's hand, can you see the board? When the teacher put Helen's hand into running water and spelt W-A-T-E-R, she understood that. Yes? A little louder, please. I cannot hear you. Please, a little bit louder. Words were the most important things in the world. And words would tell her everything she wanted to know, everything she wanted to know. So number 6 is also done. All the question answers are done. I repeat, number 5. When the teacher put Helen's hand into running water and spelt W-A-T-E-R, she understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. Now, number 6. Finally, Helen learned that words were the most important things. In the world, and words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Okay, so the question answers are done. So students, learn all the question answers. So we totally completed the chapter Helen Keller, isn't it? And if you access my YouTube videos, you can get all the chapters from there also. Okay, you can access my videos from YouTube or from my e-portal. You will see that all the chapters are done and the question answers also you will get from there. Clear, students? So today's class is over. Shubhanga, why you cannot write number 4? Okay, you will get this class in the YouTube also. Okay, I will upload this one also. Number 5, okay, when the teacher put Helen's hand, into running water and spelt W-A-T-E-R she understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. Yes, Anupam, Shubhadeep, Shruti, yes, we already completed, isn't it? So students, today's class is over. Bye. We will meet in the next class after the puja vacation, and you celebrate a safe puja vacation. Okay, just keep in mind that we should maintain social distance and regularly sanitize your hand. Okay, and celebrate your Durga Puja with your dear ones. Enjoy, okay, but safe Durga Puja. Clear, students? Bye bye. Yes, happy Durga Puja and also safe Durga Puja. Okay, bye bye students. Bye bye. I am so happy to meet you all. Bye students. Bye. Yes, Joita, Anupam, yes, Shubhadeep, Rahul, Shruti, Supratik, yes, happy and safe Durga Puja. Okay, bye.